Welcome to the Metos tutorial on how to view soil moisture probe graphs. So on your home screen, we want to go down to the watering can, soil moisture. Then we scroll down and what we first see is the all sensors graph. So this shows us all our sensors that are on our probe. What we can then do is reveal the stacked graph. So go across the all sensors, stacked, and that will then load the stacked graph, which is exactly that, lays all the sensors on top of one another as they would be down in the soil. So the 10 centimeter one, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and so on. What we can then do is add a sum graph. So to do that, we can go up to the top, click on the create or edit custom view, change the name of the custom view to sum, go to operation, drop down box, select sum. Volumetric will default already to that. Select the 6 sensors from that probe and select save. So that will then load the sum graph. What we can then do is add the full points and refill points. To do that, we can then go across to the cog on the left hand side, and that brings up the refill and full point. What we need to see is what our full point is. So in this instance, if we want to set it to say 300 as the full point for this example, and then 255 as the refill point in this example, what we need to do is have those numbers and divide it by the number of sensors that are in this probe. This probe has 6, so in this instance we would do 255 divided by 6 to bring up 425 for the refill point. So again, 255 divided by 6 to bring up 42.5, and then the full point was at 300. We do 300 divided by 6 for the 6 sensors in the probe. If it was an 8 sensor probe, we divide it by 8, and then the full point would be at 50. Then we hit save, and there you have it, the sum graph with the full point and the refill point added. So that's how to view soil moisture probe graphs. Once you've loaded this in Fieldclimate on a computer, it'll then be visible in your app on your phone.